This is massive. This is La CAMPAGNE Tropicana corn farm. A lot of dignitaries will be coming in today for the corn harvest lunch. So join us as we harvest fresh corn and have lunch in this corn farm.
This is like a pine corn farm. So today we expect some visitors that are coming from outside to have experience for the first time how to harvest fresh corn and make different dishes of corn.
Today we are harvesting the goodness of the people given the opportunity to plant corn 3 months ago for all of us to eat today. Six grains of corn will be planted so multitude can eat. Watch me. In 3 months, all of us here will eat corn and be satisfied. If I had eaten these 6 grains of corns, I would not be satisfied and I would have denied other people the opportunity to eat. If you are given the opportunity to plant corn for others to eat, do not eat the corn you are supposed to plant.
We call it is Togo juice. We call it Togo juice, soft leather. Soft leather. It's corn, fresh corn, dry, and see it salt water.
I am Honorable Nagombe Joseph Titus, Commissioner, Minister of Heritage and Ecotourism, Taraba State. I am here in Ondo City, right in La Campagne Tropicana Forest, Hills and Cave Resort. This is an amazing place to be, where I walk through the stones, the rocks, enter the cave and see nature. This place is very, very wonderful to be. I think it's the best experience I've had so far, to see where rocks pile, as if we're in Egypt. This is an environment that one needs to be. La Campagne Tropicana Forest, Hill and Cave Resort here in Ondo City. This is a very good experience that shows the ancient life, where I witnessed the corn harvest, fresh corn, and we had a very nice dinner, corn mixed with beans, and it was very, very delicious. Where I moved into the farm, harvested the corn, roasted it, fried, and also ate the boiled one. I think this is a very nice experience that one needs to own. I am a Commissioner, Minister of Heritage and Ecotourism. Seeing that I have witnessed agro and heritage tourism, is a very good experience that shows what I am doing, what I should do, and what I will want many people, especially Nigerians, even abroad and all over the world, to experience. I want to give this credit of experience to my father, my boss, the founder of La Campagne Tropicana Beach Resort, Dr. Wale Akiboboy Otumba, for this nice vision that he has here. And secondly, my own appeal that we will have this in Taraba State, where nature's gift to the nation is. I'm pleased to witness this experience today. Thank you.
My name is Tony Joy, and I'm the founder of Durian and the convener of the Rural School Conference. The focus of the Rural School Conference is to draw attention to rural communities from the aspects of agriculture, tourism, and innovation. I am currently at La Campagne Tropicana, the resort, the hills, the cave, here in Ondo City, and I just experienced beautiful farm to table, from farm to the table. So we had harvesting, where I harvested fresh corn, we put it on fire, and in a bit we had it as food. The most beautiful experience I've had on the farm. So I'm inviting you to enjoy with me on this experience. You're welcome to visit La Campagne.
Hi, my name is Dr. Enoch Haruna, and I am in La Campagne, Ondo State. Traditionally or originally a Hausa boy from Kaduna, but I mean, I had to come all the way to this place for the corn festival. It's been beautiful. I mean, it's properties in between rocks, one of the best I've seen all over Africa. And also, this is the corn harvest. So we started the corn harvest with harvesting our corns ourselves, then moving on to making meals out of them and having such a sumptuous dinner, and also meeting the founder of La Campagne, Dr. Wale, who is beautiful man who's really in depth with culture and understands a lot about history and the environment. So I'm excited to be here, and I just want to use this to invite you to come to Ondo State. It is safe. Like I always tell to everyone, my friend who's not in Africa, Africa is safe and this place is beautiful. Thank you.
Kroleo, Ekuleo, Ugbara, Ondo, Ekuleo. I am Fumi Rotiba, and I'm a tour operator. I'm a consultant, and I happen to be in the health sector right now. And Ondo is my home. It's my hometown. This is where I belong. And tourism is all my life. This is what I do all my life for the past 27 years. I love tourism, and I do tourism. I invite people to come and see my country. And La Campagne Tropicana is a place that everybody in the world need to visit. La Campagne is a global place, the global world. La Campagne is in Lagos, But right now we're in Ondo town. This is where La Campagne speak to soul. You see, if you are here, you will see these trees speaking to you. You will hear the voices of birds speaking in a language, like a drum speaking to your soul. You will understand. If you get here, you understand what we're talking about tourism, because you'll be between the hills. You'll be between mountains, speaking to your soul, because you will see the giant, the people of your forefathers. I mean, engraved with history, dynamic, and this is supernatural thing beyond our understanding. You'll be thinking, how can this rock formation be on this? How can this be here? How can this be here? How can coolings be coming from under the mountain? So right now, today is maize harvesting. We're harvesting maize, and we've had some cooking, the one roasted. We had them. We had maize in our beans, so we had beans and corn. We just did that. Everything inclusive in maize. We just had them today. If you're visiting Ondo and you not tour La Campagne, you're missing a lot. To people outside the world, Ondo is a place to visit, and La Campagne is a place you need to be. La Campagne, Ondo, you need to be here. If you know La Campagne in Lagos, you know you're in the world, another world entirely, where you spend query and you visit, you see a lot of things. But La Campagne in Ondo has history. La Campagne in Ondo State has history. The history is dynamic, something you cannot fathom. How, why, and what's going on. So today is for maize harvesting. We might be coming here next for Yam Festival. During April, May, there's another one called Asun Festival. I don't know if you've attended anyone. Please visit next year, 2026. See more of Ondo City. Thank you. And La Campagne to the world. You are global.
Yes, my name is Honorable Joshua Okundu-Ilemi, Mayor of Ondo East Local Government. I'm here this evening to witness the harvest of corn harvest, organized by La Campagne Tropicana. It's quite a wonderful, time and beautiful environment. You see how the corn, was harvested, and they're made of different kind of, meal. We have a roasted, we have a boiled, we have the one mixed with beans and the fried corn at the same time. So it shows the kind of delicacies that you can bring out from corn. I mean, that is just the most beautiful aspect of it. It's quite nice, and they all taste well. I mean, it's a place to be. This is La Campagne Tropicana, hill, site in Ondo town, Ondo East Local Government precisely. So I think it's a beautiful environment, and it's a wonderful experience that we always like to see every year.